Solving a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, last time we were using the reverse FOIL when we had it set equal to 0. Now we're going to use the quadratic formula everyone's probably heard of, and here's how we're going to use it. All right, we've got everything equal to 0. We've solved and gotten everything on this side 0 over here. Now we're going to fill it in to this quadratic formula. Okay, so it's pretty simple to do actually. The values we get here will be the values where y would be 0. The x values on the graph that would make y equal to 0. These would be our x-intercepts on the graph. So let's use 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. So that makes a equal to 4, b is also 4, c is negative 3. Okay, so we just got to plug them in here. So I put negative 4 where or negative b becomes negative 4 rather. And then b squared goes here. A and the c are 4 and the negative 3 over 2a again. So I filled in the 4's and the negative 3's. And now I'm just going to crunch it down, simplify everything down to get the values of that would make it 0. Okay, so I've combined everything under the square root there to a 16 and a 48. I'll continue simplifying. I got a square root of 64 now, which is a perfect square. So that just can become 8. And now I just do the arithmetic. Negative 4, I do the plus first, so negative 4 plus 8 over 8 is going to be 4 over 8. Then I do the minus as well. It'll give me negative 12 over 8, which reduces to negative 3 halves. So I applied the plus, applied the minus, got the two results, reduced them down. So there's my two x values. And graphing wise, that's the x values where the y would be 0. So those are my x-intercepts on the graph. Or if I'm just solving an algebra equation like this, I've gotten, everything next equal to 0 on one side, and I can apply the a, b, and c to get the x values that would make this true.